Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to find and join group boards on Pinterest. So there's a bit of a debate today about whether joining group boards is worth it if you're a blogger, because a lot of the boards just end up being dumping grounds for people's links and nobody ever shares anything. So I would say if you're going to use group boards, use them with caution. Try and find ones that are really active and, you're going to get your pins shared. I don't use group boards anymore, but if you do, I would say, use them with caution. So I'm going to show you a few ways to find and join group boards. One of them is from your home feed. So I'm going to use the search bar and I'm going to type in recipe group board. So say you're in the recipe niche, in the cooking niche, you can do this to find group boards to find. And again, you can adjust it for whatever niche you're in. So I'm going to do a search here. And then I'm going to look on the left-hand side and I'm going to click on boards and click apply and see what comes up. So you can see lots of group boards for recipes are coming up here. So you can click on each one and check it out to see if it's active. And you can tell that it's a group board when you can see more than one profile there, more than one profile picture. So have a look at what they say about joining the group boards. So let's have a look at this one. Please, it says browse simple, wholesome recipes that are quick to make and packed with flavour, fresh ingredients, balanced nutrients. Please only pin 1 to 2 times a day, no more. Please link back to original content. So whatever board you join, I would definitely say you got to follow their rules. The rules might differ slightly from board to board. If you don't follow the rules, you'll just get chucked out. So if you want your pins to be shared, definitely share other people's and don't overdo it sharing your pins. This one says only 1 to 2 times a day, so make sure you stick to that. So if you want to join their board, they usually give instructions of how to join the board. So you can see here they've given like a Facebook link. So you can either try and contact them that way and ask to join the board, or you can try and send them a message through Pinterest. So that's one way to find and join group boards. So another way is to go back to your home feed and who are you following in your niche. I normally check out my competitors and I have a look at their boards and I see if they're part of any other boards. So let's have a scroll down. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to go to their profile. So I'm going to check out their boards. So in the same tab, I'm going to look and I can see they are part of a lot of boards. So this account is in the same niche as me, and I can see that they've joined lots of group boards. These boards with different amount of profiles there. So I could click into these and again, try to join any of these group boards, which I think might be good for me. So the third way to find group boards to join is by using a website called PinGroupie. It used to be free, but now they do have like a premium feature, which is the search. So it's not that great anymore, but it's still a way to find some group boards. So you can't search for your niche, which is a bit annoying, but you can just have a scroll through and see if there's any boards you want to join there. It only lets you see up to like 3 pages, but you might find a few group boards that you want to join, and then you can search for them on Pinterest and join. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.